Has the collapse in house prices slowed down a bit? Peter O'Malley, consultant with Harris Partners, is online. The latest figures are out today. Peter, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Steve.
Looks like the slump in Sydney might have slowed, at least.
Look, I think the market's probably travelling a little bit better than these numbers suggest, Steve, and I say that because they don't factor in the July rate cut. Today's numbers are the property market till June 30 of this year, and we have seen a big bounce post-election. So whilst we were happy to call the downturn when it was happening, these are very good numbers that we've seen today.
You must get frustrated, Peter, every time someone asks you this question, but have we reached the bottom, and if so, is it a good time to buy?
Well, the question for everybody in the marketplace now, Steve, is this a dead cat bounce or a suckers rally, or is this truly the bottom of the market? And I think it's too soon to say that, but for the time being, there's no doubt that the property market's in a better place than what it was in, say, March or January of this year. Regulators have thrown a lot of stimulant and a lot of support at the property market. The key to it now is the two E's, the economy and employment, and a lot of support at the property market. The key to it now is the two E's, the economy and employment.
Price in Sydney still over $1 million, Peter, down 0.4% for the quarter, which, considering that the market's down 9.1% year on year, really does show it's slowing. Brisbane are much better, down 1.4 for the quarter, but only down 1.8 year on year, and Canberra's pretty much held up, hasn't it?
It has. Canberra's got a very strong investor market, and they've really played with their stamp duty and turned it into a broad-based land tax down there, which has really invited investors into the market. Brisbane never saw the highs that Sydney saw, so it never saw the lows in the downturn. But a lot of people will be happy to see these numbers coming through in Sydney. If the regulators didn't support the market to the degree that they have, I think every major capital city in Australia was going to record a negative reading this year, and we're definitely now seeing green shoots.
Good news. Thank you very much, Peter. Talk soon.
Will do. Thank you, Steve.
Peter O'Malley, consultant there with Harris Partners. 131873 is our number. Calls are next.